Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how do I fix my Amazon Prime video quality. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video, and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is check your Wi-Fi connection or check the server of the Prime Video. Sometimes the reason of the problem might be due to the server being down, so just check the server, and if that is running okay, then the next thing that you need to do is open up your Amazon Prime Video app, and once you're inside here, tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, and once you're inside there, tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen, that is your settings icon, and once you're inside settings on the top, you'll see stream and download. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside there, here you'll see streaming quality option. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside here, you'll have four options, that is best, better, good and data saver, right? If your option is set on data saver or good, you'll have a decent quality, and now if your option is set on better or best, you'll have more than good quality. And now check to see if this use highest quality on Wi-Fi is toggled on or not, and once you are done with all this, go back and try again, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.